Traders, let me give you a quick tour on my main trades account. As you can see, this is my main trades account. I don't know, I think some of you guys, you know this account, right? I've been trading with trades since last year, but I haven't been talking about this account because I'm just holding long-term trades on this account, right? Look at this. You can see this is the real account here, MT4, my name is here, every details are here. Right now, the most important thing that we need to focus on first before I can share all the trades that I took recently, including the trades that I took last year. Let's navigate towards the trade history because that's the most important thing that I need to show you so that you can track my performance and all that, right? What happened, how much deposit and all that, the withdrawal, because those are the most important things. Now let's go to trade history. Yeah, account history right there. Yeah, let me show you guys the account history. Okay, let me drag this thing all the way up there. Yeah. Okay guys, I'm sure you guys are aware that I made a deposit of $5,000. You can see up here, which was last year January, on the 22nd of January. Then I took some couple of trades on USD JPY. I took some losses. As you can see, my first trade right on USD JPY, I took some losses. As you guys know, I don't trade forex that much, but this is the only forex asset that I used to trade. But now I no longer trade this asset. Yeah, but I think I'm still holding some trades, but I don't put this asset on my watch list anymore because I don't like how it moves. Forex is slow for me. Not to say it does not make money, but it's slow. Now, as you can see, I kept on taking some minor losses, some wins on USDT, losses on Bitcoin, USD JPY, you know, and also some wins on USDT again. I kept on taking some W's on USDT, then some losses on USDT from here, as you can see. Yeah, I took some couple of trades. Remember in the beginning, I was literally day trading this account before I had to hold long term, right? So yeah, this is what was happening around January 28th, 2025. As you can see, these are all the assets that I, was trading. Then I'm sure you guys are aware that from the 30th of January 2025, I took a bullish trade on gold. I made $900, then another $900, then took some minor losses. Then I made first $1,000 here, second $1,000, third, fourth, fifth, 6,000, seventh. Yo guys, then I made $900, $900, and $900. You understand? So yeah, these are all the trades from January until the 31st of January 2025, right? Yeah, then yeah, from here I just kept on trading. Remember, here I'm doing day trading. Do you understand? Literally doing day trading, catching all these moves, going a little bit aggressive and all that. But I'm sure you guys are aware that I wasn't really going too hard. I was just using 0.10, which is 0.1. As you can see, took some minor losses again on gold here, down here, $100 losses. Yeah, then I had to also open some trades on Meta, took some losses, Bitcoin. Losses are just part of the journey, guys, as you can see, right? Losses are always there, but just make sure that you don't blow your account in order for you to catch more beautiful moves. So yeah, I just kept on trading, guys, as you can see. Kept on trading. This was let me see, this was March now. Yeah, this was March. I was still trading gold, day trading, including Bitcoin, as you can see. Gold again, because guys, I love gold, right? Took some losses up here, then below that level, look, I kept milking from here. $800, $800, $800, $800, $800, 5, 600, 600, 600, 600. You know what I mean? It was really great, right? So you see how you are able to make more money just from making or taking a loss. afterwards I had to like accumulate more funds just to recover and make more money on top of that. Look at this. I kept on trading USD JPY, kept on taking losses on the JPY. Yeah, this is the situation, right? This is around April now. Gold was taking a pause here, as you can see. Obviously I was taking unnecessary losses on gold because it was relaxed. The only asset that was bullish here was USD JPY. Made 150 dollars, as you can see. Then yeah, kept on trading JPY, made money. Then I took some minor losses. Then boom, here comes gold, right? This is the 8th of April. Yeah, the 8th of April. So you can see here, made $200, $1,000, 2,000, another 2,000, right? Then I took a loss on USDT of 800, another loss on Nasdaq of 1,000. Then on top of that, I made 800 on USDT, then 1,300 here on USDT. So I brought back my losses, made more money on top of that. Guys, you can see the whole trade history. It's here. It has been amazing. It has been the great experience ever. Do you understand? You guys are witnessing this on real time. You feel me? So this asset has been performing well. As you can see here, took some minor losses, then boom, here comes the gold trade. I made 3,573 just after taking this minor losses here. You can see. Then from there, I kept on making some wins on Nasdaq, wins on USDT, took some couple of L's on USDT. Then boom, I made $2,000 on gold. Really amazing. Then I took some minor losses after that on US 100. Then boom, USDT minus 1,200, another minus 1,200. Then I made 500, 700, $100 and $200. Yo, I can go on and on, traders. You can see this was let's see. Oh, it was still okay. This is from the trade that I've been holding since April. I had to close $3,000 on gold. Yeah, I just thought, you know what, I've been holding, let me close. Then here comes another gold trade. How much did I make on this one? I made about $2,000. Then I kept on taking some minor trades, right? Here was literally day trading. You can see with the balances. Then Bitcoin gave me 1,000, another 1,000, another 1,000. It was really amazing, right? Sharp. Here, which month is that? Which month is this? This is April. Yeah, the 20th of April. The market was performing extremely well. Here, everything was smooth, everything was good. I made another 3,500 from USDT, then $400 on US 100. Then S&P 500 gave me 2,300 that I kept on taking. Some minor L's here on gold, as you can see. Yeah, and minor L's on gold. And after that, boom, made $5,000 from NAS 100, US 100, as you can see. It was amazing. And remember, this is towards the month end of April. Then from there, I made more. This is USD JPY. For the first time, it gave me 1,500. But I had to open one lot, as you can see. These are two one-lot trades. Then from there, I made another one again on USD JPY, which is $780. Then I kept on taking some minor positions on USD JPY. Then from there, losses. This is the moment where I was over trading. Do you understand? This is the moment when I was over trading. I had to step away a little bit. Yeah, so that I, you know, can refresh my mind from this day-to-day trading. Then I was like, okay, now I think it's time to go long term, right? So from the trades that I've been holding on USDT, I had to close some portion. As you can see, this was May, the 7th of May. I took some trades on USDT. I think it was April. Then I had to close about $6,000 on USDT. Then I had to close about $10,000 on Nasdaq. Then another 5,500 on S&P 500. As you know, guys, these are best friends. They're all bullish most of the time. yeah, then kept on taking some minor losses. Then we have this 1000 USD JPY, 1300 JPY, 400, 500, you know, 480. Then from here again the market took back its money, minus 1000, minus 1200, minus 1200. It was crazy, you know what I mean, traders. I'm telling you, this account has a crazy history. It has an amazing crazy history. So now, as you can see, this is the whole trade history here. Losses were there. Look at this here. Ooh, here I was making a lot of bag here. Look, right, this was USDT. I made 4,900. I made 4,700. Then I made 5,700 for S&P 500. Then from there Bitcoin took my money. I lost 1k, another 1k, another 1k, another 1k, right? Sharp. Continued. USD JPY did the same. 1k, 1k. After those 1ks I made 5k USD. Then I made 6k on gold, as you can see here, right? After making 6k on gold took it back again. I lost 5k. Then guess what, after losing that 5k, check this out here, I made $900. Then boom, with the fallout I made $12,000 to recover from those losses. After this $12,000 I lost 3,000. Then I lost an 8. I lost like, okay, I made 600 here. Then boom, I lost $9,000. Can you believe it? Crazy, crazy. And this was like June, the 4th of June. Woo! Then I kept on taking some minor losses here, minor losses on gold, minor losses on gold, minor losses. Then boom, April gave me about $6,000. It was amazing. I was very impressed. You see, this was June again, the 24th of June. Then yeah, fast forward, blah 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 blah. Then we have this trade here, 1,600 from gold. Fast forward, minor losses here on gold, meta, minor losses. Then we have another S&P 500, $1,500 trade. It was amazing. Then here I kept on taking some small wins. I was trading Bitcoin here this month here. This was like August. I was trading Bitcoin. It was moving smoothly. We made a lot of money, you know. Then I made some couple of bucks also on USD JPY. You can see what was going on. So yeah, some losses on gold, minor losses on USD JPY again, minor losses on USD JPY. As you can see, consistent losses of $100. Then boom comes USDT, made $10,000. I recovered from those hectic positions, right? Remember, this is August. Sharp. After making the $10,000, it was amazing. Then I took some wins, small wins. Then I took some small losses here. Then boom, I made another 6,500 from Nasdaq, right? Great. Now we have Bitcoin. Minor losses on Bitcoin. Minor losses. Sorry. Minor losses on Bitcoin. Minor losses on Bitcoin. Excuse me. Minor losses on Bitcoin, minor losses on Bitcoin. Then I took a $300 trade on Bitcoin. Then finally withdrawal. This day was amazing. I remember 2025 on the 12th of August. As you can see, here's this 10k withdrawal. Because remember guys, I had a deposit of 5k, right? The account has grown. I'm so impressed. I'm holding long-term trades. I remember I was holding US30, US100 and all that. I'll show you guys, right? So yeah, from here I kept on pushing. As you can see, boom, I made 6k, 6k, another 6k, 8k. Then yo, it was insane here, right? Look what happened. Boom, I made 7k from gold. Boom, another 7k from gold. 1k, 2k, 3k, yo, 2k, 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 1k on gold, 1k, 1k, 1. Yo, guys, I can go on and on. Boom. As you can see here, took a major loss on Bitcoin right here. Another major loss on Bitcoin. Another major loss. Another one. Another one. Another one. I was like, no ways. I'm going crazy. I was losing my mind, literally. I don't want to lie. Right? Look at this. Ethereum. Remember Bitcoin, Solana, Ethereum when it was about to crash. Yo, I lost all the money, as you can see from this areas here, right? 5k, 5k, 4k, 1k, 1k. This side $2,000 profit on gold. Yeah, you know, here I wasn't really impressed and happy anymore, because after making that withdrawal, I made more, then I lost more, and I kept on losing some minor. Then boom, I made $1,000 on USDT. Then boom, I made 5k on gold. You understand? I'm starting to recover a bit. Boom, minus 2,900. Then boom, I made 3k on S&P 500, 3k on USDT, and 1k on gold. After that, I had to recover all those major losses. Look what happened. Boom, 12k Nasdaq. Boom, 14k Nasdaq. Boom, 9k Nasdaq. Oh my god, it was crazy, like literally. Then here you can see this is oh, this is 2026. I forgot. Yeah, oh, I was closing the profits, yes, for the long-term trades right here, right? Because you can see this is the 8th of April 2026. I had to close just to increase the balance, because my balance was already small. Yeah, then I kept on taking some minor wins. You can see this year Nasdaq, come on guys, come on. Then here I kept on taking some minor wins. This is when I was just testing, right? Because it was at the support. I'll show you guys, it was at the support, so I wanted to buy the lowest. Then yeah, from there, look at what happened. This is June, on the 4th of June, which is like a few days ago. I took those crazy losses on Nasdaq when it was crashing. Do you understand? It was insane. Then boom, look, 2k, 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 2k. But I'm still good. The account, look at the profit and the losses. We made a profit of 36k from a deposit of 5k, withdrawal 10k. Still profitable. On top of that, I'm holding running profits. Now let's go to the trade section, right? Look, here's the trade section, the side. I'm holding running profits, right? Look, this is the whole trades here. So let's look at which trades I'm holding. I'm holding Nasdaq. Okay, it's April 1st, 10k. I'm holding a drawdown on McDonald's, but this will recover. Every asset that is on a drawdown here, I don't mind. I'll hold, they will recover. Then I'm still holding a buy trade on gold, as you can see. I'm still holding a buy trade on USDT, as you can see. I'm still holding a buy trade on S&P 500, as you can see, that are profitable. Then there's this minor drawdowns on this asset here, including USDT and whatever. So overall, you can see the running profit is 14k, the balance is 31k 900. Then yeah, the equity is 46k if I decide to close all the trades. So far the account is looking good. I'm not in a rush. This is a long-term trading account. I hope you guys learned something. You saw all the losses, all the challenges that I've encountered on this account, including the withdrawal. Now let's look at the trades here that I'm holding, right? This is April. So you can see this is April weekly time frame, right? You guys, I'm sure you are aware that I've been holding since last year. This is last year April, which is amazing. And this is this year April here. Look, see, they just kept on pumping, pull back, I open, and now look at where we are. We're looking good, right? Now let's go check another asset. Where did I buy on gold? Let's check gold real quick, because I know you guys, I'm sure you want to see the gold trade. Look at this. Boom. There's the gold trade. I have to go to the monthly time frame. Look, I've been holding since last year August. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 months full holding, right? Currently it's on a pullback. Just want to see how it reacts. If it wants to melt all the way down, I'll definitely have to close my trades. I don't mind, right? If gold struggles to break this level here, this support here, I'll be very happy. You understand? Because why? I know we're about to pump up. Do you get my point? Now, still holding a buy on USDT. As you can see, I took some buys, which is I think a month ago. Yeah, April. No. Yeah, I took a buy in April, right? Not a month ago, because a month ago was May. April, I took a buy, as you can see, and last week I took a buy. The market had to crash, but it's okay. I'm holding. This asset is still in profit. Then I've got S&P 500. Also, I had to close some couple of trades, but look where I bought. We're still good. Then we have Nasdaq. Also, where's Nasdaq? Let's look at Nasdaq real quick. Let's get Nasdaq. Where are you, Mr. Nas? Because I can't hold other assets and not hold Nas. Wait, did I close all my Nasdaq trades? This is impossible, guys. Am I traders? I had to close my Nasdaq trades. What happened? Is it the crash? Yeah, I think that crash had to disturb me, but it's fine. Yeah, still holding, as you can see, on all those great assets. Still holding on Ethereum. As you can see, it's currently on a drawdown. Look at this, a bad drawdown. I don't mind. The market will pull back because this asset is not too volatile like Bitcoin and stuff like that. So yeah, I just hope you guys saw this account. If you have any questions, leave the comment at the comment section. Obviously, let me know what you think. And let's talk about this broker on its own. Trades has been great for me, including their swaps, including their spreads. They are on point. Do you understand what I mean? If I need help with anything, I can just reach out and ask, please help me. I've got an issue with my account. They're able to attend me instantly. Do you understand? So that's the most important thing, and I'm so grateful for that. And I believe that, you know, I'll always grow with them, always make a lot of, you know, money with them slowly. And now I've managed to open another small account. Actually, I have 3 accounts with trades, right? I've got 2 small accounts, another one with $300, another one with $700, and this account here, right, which is really amazing. And I have great experience with them. And yes, this is the broker that I can recommend to anyone, especially if you want to do proper trading and you want to do long-term trading with the risk management, everything. They're able to accommodate those traders, professional traders who really all about trading. Do you understand? If you're all about trading, this is the broker for you. Trades, I can recommend it. And you saw the trade history, how they've been handling my trades. I don't mind about swaps. You know, as you can see, some swaps are hectic, but come on, that's a 10k trade, been holding since last year, and the lot size, it's 1 lot, so it makes sense. You understand what I mean? They're literally charging me 1k for holding a 10k position since last year. It's fair enough. Do you understand? Every broker has this, and obviously this is because of the triple swaps, right, that brokers charge on a weekend. Some they charge on a Friday. You understand? No, usually triple swaps are charged on a Wednesday, right? And other brokers, they charge them on a Friday, but trades, they charge you triple swap on a Wednesday. It's pretty cool. They don't have any problem. If you guys want to hold trades long term, you're able to, you know, have a smooth environment and able to accumulate funds properly and easy. So yeah, those are the updates for you guys, and these are the updates, and I'm sure you've learned something and you have seen that this is genuine, this is straightforward, there's no sugarcoating here. And yeah, just hope we'll see you guys on the other side. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and peace.